Let's dive into the top 5 email providers that could be your game changers. Starting off our list is MailChimp, a name that resonates with versatility. This email marketing tool has been around for a while and for good reason. It's a comprehensive platform that caters to a broad spectrum of needs, whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned affiliate marketer. MailChimp's main strength lies in its user-friendly interface. Even if you're a newcomer to the world of email marketing, it won't take long for you to navigate around and become a pro at crafting compelling emails. The platform has a drag-and-drop feature that makes it easy to design emails from scratch, or you can choose from an array of templates for different occasions. Whether you're sending out newsletters, promotional offers, or follow-up emails, MailChimp has you covered. But it's not just about emails. MailChimp also offers features for creating landing pages, pop-up forms, social media ads, and more. It's a one-stop solution for all your digital marketing needs. Plus, it integrates with a variety of other platforms, so you can streamline your marketing efforts across multiple channels. Now, let's touch on some of the downsides. The main drawback of MailChimp is its pricing structure. While it does offer a free tier, you'll need to shell out for the more advanced features. As your subscriber list grows, so does the price. And if you're managing a large list, it can get quite steep. So, while MailChimp does offer an extensive range of features, it's important to consider whether you're ready to invest in the higher tiers. Another potential downside is their strict policies. MailChimp has rigorous standards when it comes to the content of your emails, and breaching these policies can lead to your account being suspended. So it's essential to familiarize yourself with these rules before diving in. MailChimp, a great option if you value versatility and user-friendliness, but keep an eye on the price. Next up, we have Constant Contact, a user-friendly giant in the email marketing world. Constant Contact has been a major player in the email marketing scene for quite some time now, and it's not hard to see why. It's known for its intuitive interface, making it one of the most accessible platforms for beginners. If you're new to the world of email marketing and feel a little overwhelmed, Constant Contact might just be the life raft you're looking for. One of the biggest draws of Constant Contact is its excellent customer support. When you're navigating the sometimes choppy waters of email marketing, it's crucial to have a knowledgeable and responsive team on your side. And that's precisely what you get with Constant Contact. Their support team is available to answer your questions and troubleshoot any issues, ensuring you're never left in the lurch. But let's talk about the features. Constant Contact boasts a wide range of design templates that can be customized to match your brand. It also offers robust reporting tools, allowing you to track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics with ease. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. One of the downsides of Constant Contact is its limited automation capabilities. While it does offer some basic automation features such as autoresponders and event-triggered emails, it lacks the advanced automation tools that some of its competitors provide. For instance, you won't find options for complex workflows or behavioral-based automation here. So what's the verdict? If you're a beginner looking for a platform that's easy to use and provides great customer support, Constant Contact is a solid choice. But if you're after advanced automation features, you might want to look elsewhere. Constant Contact, a user-friendly choice but with limited automation capabilities. On a budget, then you might want to consider Sendinblue. This email marketing service provider is a stellar choice for those who want to keep their expenses in check without sacrificing the essentials of a robust email marketing tool. Sendinblue shines brightly in the realm of affordability. It offers a free plan that allows you to send up to 300 emails per day. Yes, you heard that right. 300 emails daily without spending a dime. If you need to send more, their paid plans start at a modest price, making it a cost-effective choice for startups and small businesses. But affordability isn't the only thing Sendinblue has to offer. It also stands tall with its robust automation features. With Sendinblue, you can create intricate, multi-step workflows with ease. This means you can automate your email campaigns based on specific triggers or actions taken by your subscribers. Let's say a customer abandons their shopping cart on your website. Sendinblue can automatically send a follow-up email to remind them about their unfinished purchase. This level of automation can dramatically increase your conversion rates. Moreover, Sendinblue offers a comprehensive range of features, including contact management, segmentation, and detailed reporting. It even includes SMS marketing in its suite of services, allowing you to reach your audience through multiple channels. Now, let's talk about some of the downsides. One area where Sendinblue might fall a bit short is in design. While it offers a reasonable number of the design options are somewhat limited compared to other providers. If you're someone who values aesthetics and wants a wide range of design choices, this might be a drawback for you. Remember, no tool is perfect, and each comes with its own set of pros and cons. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your specific needs and budget. Sendinblue, a budget-friendly choice with solid automation, but design options may leave you wanting more. For those who value automation above all, GetResponse might be your match. GetResponse stands out in the realm of email marketing with its advanced automation features. With GetResponse, you can set up complex, targeted campaigns without breaking a sweat. It's all about sending the right message to the right person at just the right time. Moreover, GetResponse's split testing features are top-notch. You can test everything from subject lines to send times, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. GetResponse does have a learning curve. Its interface, while feature-rich, can be slightly complicated, especially for newcomers to email marketing. It might take some time to navigate smoothly through the platform, but once mastered, it becomes a powerful tool for any marketer. GetResponse, a pro at automation but can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Last but not least, let's take a look at Aweber, a veteran in the industry. With more than 2 decades in the game, Aweber has established a reputation for reliability and high deliverability rates, ensuring your emails reach their intended recipients. Its wealth of experience is evident in the user-friendly interface and the vast library of templates that make crafting the perfect email a breeze. Aweber also excels in customer service, offering round-the-clock support to help you navigate any challenges that arise. However, while Aweber checks many boxes, it's not without its drawbacks. It may not offer the cutting-edge features that some of its younger counterparts do. If you're looking for advanced automation or sophisticated segmentation, you might find Aweber a bit lacking. But don't let that deter you. Aweber's longevity in the industry is a testament to its consistency and commitment to quality. Aweber, a trustworthy veteran but might lack some advanced features you're after.
What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section.